Hello my friends, welcome back to LinkedIn channel. We still explain how to use the Telegram app with a very simple way from beginner to professional with a very simple step. In today's tutorial, we will explain how to add admin to your Telegram group. Let's get started and see how can we do that. At first, tap on Telegram app icon. Go to the group you want to add a member to. Let's press on this one. After that, click on this icon. Tap on pen icon. Click on administrators. After that, press on added admin. Select the person who do you want to add admin. Let's press on this one. This is the list what can admin do, like change group info and delete message, ban user, invite user via link, bin message, manage voice chat, also added new admins and so on. If you scroll down a little bit, you can custom title here for new admin, and this will be shown to all members instead of admin. You can write it admin number 1, for example. After that, press on OK icon. Now you make Elon Musk as admin to your Telegram group. There is a second way which you can make an admin. Let's explain it. Go back. Here is the main page for your Telegram group. Press on this icon. Click on bin icon. Tap on members. Click on 3 dot beside member which you want to make it admin. Let's try this one and press here. Press on promote to admin. Here you can find permission who admin can do. After that, press OK. Now you already make this member as admin. That's it. If you find that our content is helpful, you can support us by tap on subscribe. You can also press on bell and tap on all to get notification for all new videos. By the way, if you have any comments, please don't hesitate to write to us and we will do our best to respond to all comments as soon as possible. Thank you for watching and see you in next video. Bye bye.